Creating mind-blowing typography in CapCut PC can elevate your video projects to a whole new level. Go to the Text tab in CapCut. Add a text and customize the text, font, and colors to match your project. Then navigate to Curve option under Text Basic tab. Apply keyframes at 0 degree and 360 degree. Now use variable speed animation to smooth keyframes. Select the keyframe and choose Cubic Out in Preset Curve. Now add another text in the middle of curve and resize it. I'm writing a last letter of my channel. Now add initial keyframe at 100% scale and last keyframe at 296% when the curve approaches to 0 degree. Rotate the text 360 degrees with a difference of 9 frames between each keyframe. By applying keyframes, move the text at the end and decrease its size. Now smooth each keyframe by applying Cubic Out and Ease Out in the preset curve. Tell us in comment section what kind of content you want to see next. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more engaging content. Now add another text and resize it. Type asterisk and choose font, size, and color for it. Now drag it above on the screen and drop on text I when animation is close to complete. This all process requires keyframes. At the end, choose appropriate sound effects for each text animation. This will give a dynamic look to your text. After perfecting your typography, export your video in the highest quality possible. Go to Export and choose a resolution like 1080p or 4K for crisp, clear text.